This is about focusing on all the ways that love adds magic to our lives, and to recognize the magic within ourselves and each other. We intentionally create small magical moments within our relationship. In this magical flow, we are fully absorbed and happy. Our focus and growth through enchantment directs our intention towards everything in our lives and within our relationship and within ourselves and our partner that spark wonder and joy. We actively explore what enchants us. We engage our senses. We create magic-filled rituals within our relationship, and through that we not only keep our relationship young and fresh, but we connect with what brings more life to our life. In this shift towards a magical focus, we create a new neural pathway of love. We reconnect with the innate charm and captivating feeling of love, which brings so much pleasure and delight to both partners. There is a sense of fun, playfulness, and lightheartedness. While whimsical, it is deeply felt. It is a level of focus that includes heart and soul too, and as such, it is a spiritual journey where we help each other grow and transform. Thank you. Anarakastika anungkoroko, anarakastika anungkorokostiko ogon siarta, nanartiertas dikaraka, nanana arok ostik ala arakastika agan zegte, ozianartiertas dikaraka, ozianartiertas dikaraklo zegte, ondo orokostika agan. Ondor tiertas di karaka ro orogun zegte. Na nar tiertas di karaka na anartos di koroko och tiertos di karakan zegte. Och tiertas di karaka. Och tiertas di karaka lo orogun zegte. Ankarakastika anankaraka. Ankarakastika ananartierto ostiko ogon zegte. Nanartiertas di karakarakasti ink ochte oroko. Onkorokostikagan, onkorokostikagan, onkorokostika anankaraka li ikarakastika anurtirto, ondo orokostikagan, ankaraka, ankaraka, ankaraka. It is that, it is so. Thank you, with all my love, Francie.